Mede Eddie Frank Adade Boafo with my friend General na majo so okasavete I don't have people Manchester man abeshia they say mama o ye de with TikTok they say TikTok dey I say TikTok nya nke say una na de mano na ofa TikTok no mene Malinda abeshia e Manchester Malinda na mpomai
na me adon PC bia boko
I don't want you for you, but it's a way for Ankasa.
That's
okay. Be call comment section to say, hey, Obia, sorry, remember your TikTok comment, hey, easy. Anyways, yeah, to us, your mom come on Ankasa. Your customer Malinda, why Malinda?
Malinda, you will make Kumasi. Meaning Kumasi, and I'm close to Kumasi. You Kumasi
you know, Kumasi Abrabo na net saying, but the same Malinda be pimu UK buemu, if I no dinner go free, boy Komokaka.
I will make Kumasi Akwati alai. And I'm close to some girls. And I'm called Yecha. Jabrabone Muno. Na edu baby na ayedi no anu Ghana na me yetire be edu baby no say hairdresser na call form na me kuta nkola nso so nti na wo seja me di metibom e ba ha e be support nkola anu ti na ma me be UK
nice and to say one class man
me my 4
oh nice
3 girls 1 boy
okay and as is no man oba ko na TikTok there's a TikTok what
the cameraman
o cameraman
dia he ketwe ya na
ka ketwa na cameraman
ketwa na Felicia okay
na Felicia no so okay na TikTok is ka wo etua me tua ka sika wo yeah I see yemo UK abobo yemo UK nkomo kakra UK asset na te say
you can sit na die ya kano obi hu na me kan obeti ase obi a wo fie na ontu kwa ma no kan obeka se oboa enya nka waba but nya ba ne kono edene na you kwa brabodi obeka se edene but wo vision wo die nti abotaya de oba ya I feel say
I see. To say over by UK, what do you feel say on UK?
Me by UK, me co 16 years.
I see. Yeah. Oh, nice. And as I nyanka, was to meet them 15 years. And as I no.
American says, "Oh, BBC when it's so dear." What I say, "BB pamo dear." You be baby ashi. But so you okay? Me okay? Can professor come to me and crumbs and some metal. I
see.
Yeah.
I see. This is UK. We are Juma P. And I say,
yeah, Juma. Yeah, okay. Home nursing home.
Oh, nice. And as I was a cardiac chabom. Was a cardiac chabom. Man, I'm at TikTok. Didn't I name me Bahai? The Dickas Messada was to say, "One mamma Kunyai." Na is uncle for the uncle for saying cheat. My mother was to say, "When we say me buy crime time to come my elite, but my land that chemi or some mentors near Monco." Mother was here, pa. You got TikTok once TikTok to say I had DBA out me new free social media. And as I say, so a banner same be a busy organ be a Maland and know them. On found so we IGP. Oh, yeah, if you are Schwarzenegger, oh, yeah, wine. I bet do what they do. But they call us him. About the send out to me, Kobe and one will be awesome. Now I say, Okaswa, reactions are the man, the best I can't try to one cry. How do you do it?
I don't. Son of a can, I don't. Any son of a can. Obi asam na wo kanu me your bad time me wo ma so wo ma onim se ne akasa sitie ti se asemi ba me hwe se ne ne kan sitie no maka bi se bia me hwe ne se bia nipa no na sem na ye ka no e wo wrong ne se bia obi nti ase na me de akọ memi
wow definition mo
you also cross am
and one is a worker.
If I look up Facebook, if I met one, maybe I go Facebook. Now, I look up also, I pen by free 100 and you take your monk.
say untie
I'm a about TikTok into omo fan out of say man man nada now yes sir as I'm no ntem say any men tia mo fan cheme say me kotwam ho na say because say oh ntino sanity ebu wa no correct me kwa ana me pente ti me ni boss one me free go ama ba me say emunti o yes ni pastor say no I say enti me nya abotra me ko na nya sa asem say e kakra ti me am ko ba me am sa anwan ya me say asem no me hu kan ne me ba o mu jojo me you ma de nya me fie TikTok o mu di me dwuma papa
e dey for fa chere later video e be re na ni so ni se na afra man na say ba ko bi esa ho ne say unye din bia correct da man say man say na ediro ultime toto papa so sa
so na make us as me kwatia me nya bote ediro me metia na me de dia pa me ba ni ba bia so awasam na open tama beka no so ho edini dia na minim because me nya obi a me follow celebrities nene nya obi a me tisa ti minim wo mu di we gina kra me hu wo mu de bia me man kra de sere me enti minim di no ti bia me kwa na me dwan no bani bo afia de ne so pe na ma fa ne sa na ma beka sen mi am obi a me social me nye obi a me wo me nim wo mu din yeah good dia me din na me wo mo no
edin ba ko be na won kasa obo out me say we have here video edin am boy ye edin be na boy out me say edin we dia me susu yes I need camera the bullet your face when the share money to your face oh valida what for dinner me TV body bia gaza bia we have say be interview we catch you say me busa question back the question be am for a time on person mu cause you hear videos now sometimes as a person we can as a person we can all the 2 hours that 2 e be so worry e be so wo kuna na to that because my boyfriend be baby dim na 2 weeks or more to because me mpna to because me kunu so wo be ehu je say one kasa asem ran kasa wo worry and answer one worry my Linda
e dey anya kasa
therefore I say there no kasa the problem say there onye ready so be ya no na wan na me boa
maybe pesikani anyway sikani bia na papa no say na mama no na aba no na
only Tracy watch what problem yana
me Tracy watch asempa because me papa ni na danfo no me penas say what said me nya obi a me tan obi o asam na me ka no kre na ye de ewo mu no what you say me ka no kre no masa de atoto yi Tracy watch me ni problem me penas asempa because of me papa ni no adanfo no nti me penasem e na Tracy watch you obi a maintain ho asem boneda and I no kwa me never be can was not the Tracy watch and that all the girls and I mean woman Tracy watch is different me ni asem be dey bad dey make us always say na papa no buy na me na me can be man
o catch you
so say one interest ja me dey trip na sempa but papa no dey no so papa Kennedy Japan ko attack no ko me can be man Tracy watch so that papa na anya dey because asem na na obeka makra na di watem say so no ka so ko your rally because a rally ko your rally rally ko your rally out dey ko gina platform ni so ko di na tem wo di na tem o no so ba obno to ba be di watem it's one asem sana me kano ye no creda
Matias na asem ba ko bi so ho wa wo ba if you trust nigga
me sweetheart
just more than the kakete ke blood
ya di bo the paper say you zongo for kakete the kakete nigga asem o kana adwene na if you dey say obeka obi dey o mo obi so nye den enka na dey if you problem no but ye nyina ye nipa sani asem ba na adwene mu a otumi kan no sa na obi so hu ade bi ono so tumi ye den ka na me ne the problem no dey am je me phone so tumi say na me say kan no man kan ya so ba time what you see me say man kan ye because na ni age do so no na di ni birthday ama ne ba so be ne jade so be no kai mu e o no ba birthday no e de wodi what I say but na me dia me can say obi ya dia won appreciation is appreciation
okay
obi cha wade aka nipa untumi me kan fo obi ne na ochena untumi unka se nipa na kan na ope papa obi aye onyina na be ka bone no e ho kakra na me nti afia se afia e dey na woni we be dia agro ne na be kan fo na last minute no asa nipa ne se minim se nipa ne be wade ana so nipa no bibi e na be nya problem na se nipa papa ye ma won nyina no right o refi na me se say me be see that car no to be honest man kan ye nti ono so ante ase nti ne o de ba me so be di mani atem
na obi ye de baba bi o si mu sei
e ka wasa na me ka no me nsi mu ba bia na me ka se nyina ye o wi ase se ide obi aka obi asa me nye me ni hobi me ho asem ba ho be ka se ye nyakopan ye madoma bi a mo hu me kakrai me so no bi a me ho asem ba ho be ka bi
what ase me na me ka ne first
what ase enu nti no man ka ne ye no kre se ye ne ba no de man ka ne ye but ko no so ne so bi fum kum a ye fum nye de enwa what ase nti so no so ba ye a no so me dia me kan ye no obe I know sometimes I na nya wo se ta me na san ba do bi tumi friend ko kase ko ti wa nya obi aye unim nyansa obe ko ya de bi no sa be da me no meaning say enya ne fault ye send man no na do send ba bi onya aye no na anko na de no ne wo problem ne so no na ko ba se ko se me say no ne yi wo problem na me say me ko kan side na na dwen say bi a me wo obo side but me ni obi a side na me kan say aba na me ye because afia say na wo si tie die say ni ka wo say ya ka ba ya me na say that's all it na me say me ka man kan ye to honest asem ni nyina no
but what my pia chen aben ni di nkomo
no minim no minim ne number minim no na de da e be so ni petri e bi aso na enso wa because minim nyina ye oja what I see
more fire
yes we need fear so say ga nyina ye oja me hu ni say to be honest that ba kum say cry ye
volcano besi
what I see no ya so na enso no
Matias yemra eba no say back and forth in the course out attended the eba how did you feel?
I feel bad. I feel bad to be honest. I feel like I say sometimes you know so some see so over here I don't know some see you know me pa na chow.
Yes.
So okay ya.
Man forecast we should kura na say we should if you ashwa snake.
Me dey say me here fat one na aswanse na guy bi ti wo. Asema make ni so swapa. E na omo na danfo bi kun ya say ye o akon na ehuro. No so wabo, we so mana bo. What I say ti that boy ni uhun kukuom. Oyi se kan no de ko wo boy na on ne ye de kun ye na boy ni wu. So what I say is am na guy ni swa nti e de ne konkura bone. So but nka o ma ehuro no sa na ye ehuro. Do be kan won na didi watam ko kasa ti say uye obi a na yare ye fansere me obi a menye obi a me fere say wakase me nye me nya me ya me za na de wo me that ade a me mpene say odi obi hum fomso eni pa ne boni aka but fomso ne me bi e won wana say te bi owo like a dem bi a owo bi a no e fa me ye no because we are so bi no ye straight it's ade a o ye me ya ne say now adok amaka say woni sika afia nsema o kanye bi ni to sabi oba to me ho say obi a nani chiwa ne ho fi afia me hu nya fi nchen and also hu nya fi nchen to be honest and sincere you understand what I'm saying
I get it
and afia me no gina so to be honest and fair me ho first so 100% you want to be mention on us yes it is so unfair ni dia mama and I'm say let's maka bi kra na afia sabi anya yia na ka sabi nyina kuma so fon kola de nke de ni kasa nke nka di matam normal na so obedi matam for mani no na ye me as o do ko bi as mo bi ntumi nkan wasam na ba twa mo say me ho fin you don't know me from Adam you just saw me say me na TikTok wa me dey dan pass on ade what you see ntumi di obi atam say o ho fin
very wrong
tin am person be chere say ba se ye didi anu de to honest you know kuma so fon kola
is ya malenda wa charge me cry me hwe nanim ni say we o kasa na wa charge
yes ye fa obi efo obi ye fa obi dem die eni di na tam Ghana ya wasa de no se enfomso edem bi wo bi ho a na ye di nipa na tam hwe nani achi ahwe nani hwe ne nan hwe na nante bi hwe ne say what you say sad na enye nipa na onim se sa na ote enye wo na obede wo beka what you say ye watem di eye matured way what you say obetu ya ka say like di matem na yi me ho dem free ho no because obi no bra se me de bia me kam na me bo me ho a Samele na ma go me ho a. Come to ya ba egu me ji me be. Kama tete so. Kama ba say, kama yiso.
Wati ase.
Sanity. Nti bi ase obi na born hu ni nti ne kwansa wo di obi atam wo ne personal yade.
Very true.
Only the pana yade a ka ade a wati ase. It's a boxing. Who boxing he na ebo.
Nim kwa. Wati mo kichi. Born kwa echi afa.
E penalty. Wati ase. Fa nti no no obi di atama nto ne ho. Aboa na kwase ani Jimmy de normal se na fia de obi enu se na o ma me twase de de no ma me be se o ma me se o ma me de o twase de sun akasa nti na fia de enyina enim se ja o ma me kura aka na me kana se me ne fia twase ne ga ni problem me nim no timi ni nya problem what I say better some ne ba nyina ika bi
okay
yeah
okay na me kai mo say yes Ghana 101 yi aboafo bi na aso masene Bello Kuto we be man na open tire papa sha but see a pam atare ma na wo hye na wo ye kama de bia me kan ma me no so na kan se be ma de wo ho fa de so man ye critical wo ni scampo de make sure say wo mpaboa no tire de
any spray
very necessary so I say no sa kra no wura be bia obi etima ye de ehu mobo sa na tie enti open tire papa sha no ani Bello Kuto o GH na bia mo so me kan mo say wo UK hanum say na ope dessert luxurious dessert edia eno ani cafe deluxe so ope se wo chew dofo ade on say bronya na ebe ope strawberry bi a chocolate kakra na menchen flowers na menchen a eno ani cafe deluxe so betima contact cafe deluxe Miami Bambi 075 0671 3066 075 0671 3066 Cafe Deluxe luxurious dessert for your taste. And also with my email you more cafedeluxe@gmail.com. Malena, you're trying come on so. Ain't you know still on the Fear Schwarzenegger issue because it became a massive Sembebre in Sembebre. Just me Miami Posibi right I say in Sembebre. So how did you feel? How did the Bushiyans take it? I mean, Umano, Omote in some way or social media. Because it was for like 3 days, back to back.
Yeah.
And then everyone said the whole week, right now, people were still talking about it. How did you feel, man? How did they feel? Someone to say, if you're Schwarzenegger, hey, do what? Maybe cry up a bit more. So I tell you, what do you want? Hey, we are young, sir.
I don't know 40. I'm in 42.
Oh, sir. Hey, man, they're very young. It's now where fee. How did you feel? How did you feel, man? How did they also take it as well?
My problem was my brother, to be honest. Many women me brain anymore because yes, I remember to tell me. Me brother to tell me. Even didn't chino. Many women name to be honest. Na dey say my friends. So who say me can cross say can me first my friend me black rano. I had dear yeah because one me ba TikTok no cross start we na nye ho. Eno nti no na me wa yem hye say ye brade nyakopon de be na ma ye de na me bra be ye. So na me ma no me mai. Me ma ba pani ni de o sun krai ha no say mama me ferry me gas na ferry dia na me boa it take me 3 days answer me to me afre me bra be won say me man de o me menti me de ne den ni ahoden ye de fa mu odi matem ne na odi matem ne what I say it's na enye easy ma me kra na enye easy o me man na me brantem de to honest many we pa many we kra me ye ka say me nyai ma me sun ho anyway because me bra na to honest na ni bre pa.
Okay. Yeah, free if you're Schwarzenegger, because that topic is very a bit dicey.
Yes.
Because we can't send Bebra. That's what I say. But I believe say this is the future as a Kokomobi. I say social media are good, you know. It's not something that you should use or be side effects.
Yeah.
And I say obi BB say could try one I say be version. It's very bad. I know the media if you're Schwarzenegger. Only has got no problem. I don't know why she has a problem with yes guys. I think say you post too much into only abenya no credit or one or blocky
if you is jealous person that no if you problem no if you problem no because enkwafo no mo di agro no mo kunyina no minnim wo mo bet me who said that if you no di agro person be bebam bi if you issue no what I say no di agro person be bebam be better we say time what I say bibia ko bibia ba what I say me penasem to bonus if you is Me penasem.
No, me penasem. But I believe say I mean we'll squash this. I mean I'll be in Ghana very soon. If you're stressed now, I'll try my possible best.
Yeah, me to be honest, because me need fear any personal problem. Me need fear any me and two and me and one. Me need minimum. More than minimum. That's nyina obese ye phone ye aja. Internet ye di twegu oni ade so de obi ani mo bi say it me fear any problem, but the problem is say obedi mani atam no what I say it's like if you want to be a leader like if you person obi be kana sem so asem de ba obi atimi kan bi it so obedi matam di man kan ha me better o de me mani be di matam ne de I was the be am here TikTok kwa me ka say fear shots ne gada ro ma be yi kwan to me ye kwan na no ntino amata say me kasa kwa ye ntie ye hwe mani ni mo that mani is very sexy
very sexy pa mali da wa fa ho
I feel no come to test right man just shoot me just die ma
ye to aso e bi am so sa be ka me nua me ne wo adwuma ya yem Zion Felix o be ka no asem ka blogger pono na wi no se ma Linda eno so si mi sei
mama kan sa asem no me ko tia ke hidie kra man ti o no se me twa mu na mte
what is it eh oya
mama say me and celebrate me. Let me see it was very dirty.
It was
very now girl no na wanya de na me kra me ka say Zion na bia o ye mistake na bia na yere ni kokun ye na bia o ye de o postu ye but things say me ko tie girl na anu masem so no be fia papa bi say na friend no
papa yeah
ono ase no de ye proof because ni na na Erica de e kwada dada
no sa de ne hu kodi mu kakra and the meeting kan yes
Zion shirt Kevin Kai t-shirt na fe pa
say me call Ghana meeting ko share IGP asem de say jai kazisia wale da enta come on so but me na so ye de be CBA so de be America de be CBA so ye na yes we say for abetom ha say wo kan asem wo kan be bree ntimi atimi kase ni kunu no hene no one bedroom ni
na yes the no the first beginning na me can be no me twa so because me so be a video
oneza ye interview
oneza time ye video tim kasa anyway but ono move frame me ono move frame me enura so hu say no am say ye bi mu ono move frame say no achi ana no achi visa ono move frame ana enura no o church to nsem ni mu ye de echire me timi yoba esema na yas katre e kan na ye me ya na ma wokoda timi nim sani awareja ye ni aware onu hu a business tie ntimi gide na yas e kan di ntino to be honest
that's all ma bon tembe ka so ni ku eja ye
wa be kanra
oni ne kasa
enen kasa bete yi ye ni interview ga bi ye ni interview Facebook live nra o so be kasa me ka chese man kasa kra bi because any obia business but nra me say o kasa na ni abre because o se ni kuno no ye dey egu na nanu ase e na o hwe nanu kasa so a girl na go through hell to be honest
na say wa go through hell we say ni pass obia say me
kan them to be kan dey o say no dey na ya say
ya say o say brofo
dey meti o na e ba mitrim na e ba ma no na me ntime kan
when the shade
when the shade bullets bonore and about going to come I big
so why never could evolve say obika say onu mo mba abontin be ka say bibia ye okay na ni kunu pe adwuma ma no na say o sa ba abontin be ka say na say we ni no kra man fans ni man for mo
we ni no kra man no ane ho ene no kra san o wi ase ti ade video be en kwa bisa no so na dey tin so be say video no o say because no person be seen to magwa hata abontin two person to be seen to magwa hata abontin en ka me fa camera kra so kra me di one that say ni na jam ni nyaye ya tete man ya tete na nkanya de enya no kra it what ba be you kunu ti say na dem tin so am sorry na wo sa say ni round so be catch say no kra say kra wo say mafie na say ni dia na say ade he enye de yenka no no menya abotra ye no maye ni kunu menya abotra ye no sa na mete me nyina ba ibu nyina ba bi because o mo akasa no mu ni no kra mo What you say? Omo ni no kro ma ho. Be ma na ware first. O say 2 months kra ma na o give you up. Jani tell di na chi ba britri. Adi tina buy. O ware Ghana also wabo. What you say? Offer be ma wabo Ghana. Enti di tina wo say Ghana kra ma me no obusuafo kra wo timi bo. Enti abrochi na wo di na chi na ba na ya so ne ba be.
Obey.
What you say? Enti na ya sa some na work on the to bonus. Ya ka say ka no kra pa dia. Me no me hu no kra ye den. E wo mu nti say brand money twitwi so na ya say ka na Ghana no. Na won hye o ma 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 7 million. Na won hye o ka wo ton. Enti o ba be ye o ba ne ho be ye den. Brad, they make what I say. Ya na ya say ka me tena say question na. Ya no am busam say o ba be ye den.
Na won say e bia ye odo.
No, you what because now you say no masem no so wale 3 months 2 months cry will give you up. But on your next problem no. Inti na wo be ferry say wa worry na obejai. Inti na akoye say. Osi na obse na you control so the crew make say bomidini like oye program abomidin like program no oye for yibi na no.
Oh say.
Ah no kan. Oh. To asa wo ba bro kan camera na ode ye adwuma na oton ye na oton ne car ho
car de we send pictures near the idea
what I say it is how the office ni nyina na wo ka no ya ti ase o odi na chi ba ha ne be ye den because ko be bia se na bi say sa the wo kan nyina say Ghana start ye it o be ye den na ya so di na chi be ye den
okay
what the mention I say it guy no so hu say bia o no so no go say guy ne ba because of say no feel say who wo sika oba sika ni ho una ya so hu se boy ne ba se o ka se bia wo sika sika ni ho bi wa me hu sika na no so ba fo bibi nti sa na me Melinda me no me di dede ni ntiatemu ni nsankuo because awale meja because what I 2 days when nya na twetwe so ya gina hoda ti ade bi sa no ye tru ase di mirika meja wajai if you are sorry to say if I love you so much me Ghana said it ni okofa abu akwasa abrakwa yi ompen wo jaye se na na tie bia no ojaye what I say because onu na ni ja no ye den ote ho it won say so wodi ni pani mu fele e ka se ma worry it me tena ho a ne ga de besa ne mo besa se na no e ka no what I say yes
answer me ba no me post video bi couple of days ago 4 days ago and I can IGP wasem man for be church or comments be me I want you to be me kind chill
okay me su
oh me kind papa ne wo me yibon ne wo fi no obi say okay IGP say I didn't IGP be share celebrities no na him fan yes idea no obi say other countries do it but you don't know just because you're a citizen of Ghana doesn't give you the right to say whatever you want to affect the country.
IGP dey no ye ne dey nyame ne kure ni message na me na so biem o se Raji la so Raji ni do e dey papa Raji ire kura nya ho problem because o hu se ni kure ye icon e was say ke friend ni kuno no ya friend ni kuno no and celebrities na as celebrities o no mko share na mini problem but o mo mko gina ho no dodo na me hu om say di o mu o so mko what I say sankrofo no di a kire na kwai say yesterday aya agudi because ye fresh celebrities ye won panimfo ho ne panimfo kura no better ne kura na mo de camera si wo mo so ne o de camera si bisu na watu o mo fo na ko mu nyina atene phone so ne camera so but nkura be gina ho ye a mo bi om twetwa pictures nkura mu gina ho yi obi anim fa
the way crosses wo man inviting in onya very happy
what I say one invite no just panimfo bebre ho man ye no one invite wo mo enti nipa o mo gi twi ko ye no me to me Linda dear
to know say we say can say come sem
I was say come sem
because you were the canfo bi wo ho
what see ase we mo ye nkoda nti no mo ye nkola ne me kokko no mo didi atam bi e kokko no to mo ye nkoda nti I say ke ma mpanifo ni mom ne betu wo mo fo be kan mpanifo IGP fo ne ho but ya anya ne sa IGP ye program no I come like that IGP so we are not kokka so go IGP aso we are not kokka so actually go IGP aso ni nyina no it's not acceptable
thank you
because IGP our friend celebrity so no more kasa no obi anya la camera so ho ade asem ne nipa beka gu waso
okay
ade asem ne nipa beka gu waso because IGP makwa ma obi beka bibi gu na so no what friend say who too for but we are not beka bi me won say
Stone Boy
Tomboy crowd dey say say on the decent so say tomboy dey nyame no ko nya no ho asem boni bi anya dey enke tomboy dey ono ayi no hope akola wa abro no so ni pelifo di woni we ko kan say tomboy dey no so mu pia mountain na ansa na tomboy be ka wiegu na so better ho no mi hu say boy ya oni na na mama brand ye adwuma yi Kwame A+. Kwame A+. Mo so ko ka bibi gu IGP asom. Me hu say nipa be 4 or 5 we na ko gina IGP asom na ka bibi dey na ko ka kire no.
Besi ase edumo ne.
Besi ase edu ka do penny. O ma bre wo movie industry no me penny for. What I say better IGP from some mra. Mo ni masam kro dey ba. Enti wo dey asa na ko ka jo na ko kan dey won kan na some na mo betre dey won. What some mo betre na mo metre say. But we kan wo kan some na so. We can it's not mature. It's not nice. Ade omo ye no fine wa fresh celebrity say omo mra. Mo gitwi akọ but some na mo kan gu na so no. To me anya perfect amane. Yes, na ko ni kwa say IGP mo omo kwan ma camera da ne so no. Omo be obi be di na so, obi tua wa so.
Oh, ba wo hwe videos ni bia ultimo say bi wa no person odwane free cameras na ho but is an say won say o yes so won say Ghana so ye kasa.
Say no problem na Ghana say bibi ye bia na nye fe no. Say mo de camera ko see IGP so a the also camera no mo supervisors ho na na supervisors ni ho. The supervisors ho. It is supervisors and also chance that be ya so camera no tin now no mo bi ko kan sam try IGP biem. Ye wie ni camera ni free so dia. Wo bibi abetumi IGP akochia ni ade. Enya camera ni si so na ye be start no. Say me me no ya bia na te ye be kasa na me ka bibi gu aso ma de o tencha be dwe se de na me ka gu aso. What's the mission of Marcelo? Some here. I
say discrimination, maybe more.
What's I say? It's a work around many and your home. Now, what's some friend penny phone and penny phone be with table sisters money now coy. Messi say do coy, Jacko coy, Nipa coy, Nipa be coy, bet and yet. Come a send ya na ye nim say e wo say ye de eye no na wo san koda no etena fie na kampanifo ne kɔ na ye de camera ni sin kɔ kampanifo no mutu o mo say ye person ya anya de na mo ye ye de mo ye tonwum ni bi ye ne ye di asa ne ye bibia bet say tutu atwetwe atendidie ene de mo ye no it's not nice like Shatawale metumi akasa on yo obi a Shatawale de Shatawale here futu mo It's really quite say Mashatawale. Only also Mashatawale. The papa na ye no. O say this discipline need to be adwuma.
We sure say Shatawale here for 2 more. And as omo nini ye. And as omo ni sin so.
Oh, Shatawale na ni si ono an ni so. Shatawale no hwe na ono an opefame no. Ope like attention.
And they say the edwuma no ye ne die.
It's ono an ope and na wode ye but sometimes in same be as Shatawale or you for Shatawale or beka comedian because you go on my turn you say comedian entertainer into ye bet so mo bano na ye na Shatan na so ye ma for fans ye ba for 190 ti say ba say fans dey mo ntina wo fie no mo fans na penifo ni metu o for because near me ekoso Ghana no to be honest enye fe so what I say enye fe nti ni penifo no so bi mu ye o Apadu na ewu.
Okay.
Oh, but akwaboi opapa wo ho. Yi nipa bebre wo ho.
Okay.
Nipa bebre wo.
Okay.
Oh, jite so wakra so. What I say? Yi papa ya so yo no betwe manso yi. De obo no ne akoso Japan bo nyumu. Grace Oma, say Grace Oma.
Hey, na so say papa na Grace dey say oba.
Hey, Grace. Rex Oma. Rexoma oho. Eto mu hina no, o say ke.
Wale na obekumi.
Enti e baba say yan frɛ wo mo because me hu wo mo ho. E bia ka na nto mo so ntem de ya. E wo say sa nipa fo no na wo say ke frɛ wo mo. Ene papa ya kama ye wo say kwabena yi. Fantini papa wo wasonso ye hu na se. Ye wani so ye hu. O nyina wo ho. Enti wo say wo mu sa no na ye frɛ wo mo. Na wo mo be kasa chen ko na say ye nya bansa na mo ba. But the mo ye obi ante ye wan san bi sa. What you say? Ti ase the mo ye no mo gu ye nyom mo gu industry ne ma se. So ho. It is one pass mo gi twi o mo ko ye. It's honest anya fe.
Anya fe o.
But so adwen kire.
Where the man lenda na kana se onya me IGP mesrel me dru kotoka mesrel.
Mami na mani ngura ba.
Mami rimboko. Na me kai mu biom se 101 on Yes Ghana Online na abuafobi na asoya say Cafe Lux so open dessert papa desserta che say flowers one chain, chocolates kakra, strawberries kakra, and one cafe lock. So more melting kins, so we UK there, or more melting kins. You hear answer from 0750 671 3066 0750 671 3066. I'm a side camobium, so open Tari Papa Sha. Engagement, wedding away. One casa no wumpa, wow, funeral, and opposite Tari Papa Sha, and Sana, the Wakwa. And one Bello Couture, our opposite GTUC, our Tessano, Accra. Me show to me from more, was 02466 11678. Mrs. Subium 02466 11678. Bello Couture, Ukoha, the Bomidif, yes, Ghana online, Obeboa, na, Wama, Bibi Papa, Ashe. Malena, you try and come on the song. This is what is TikTok star. Is it a Ghana for TikTok? You be say 10 8 means I'm Malena. Cause controversial at the end of day.
You mean him, in idea.
We are very sure. To say, I have can some side, I won't stretchy.
Hey, me that told me na.
Oh, no.
She told me that. But you don't stand, come at him and your phone is a quarter. Miss Latin, Miss Miobia, we because I also show assembly, but we show because the way our videos are we, they be also do, and they say me a short way lazy by myself. I was trying to pay. And then the new
echo. That's how we release. Watch a musician, watch a video. Every day we are releasing video. It was stretchy.
I know Miss baby, I'm away there to my trash.
And him.
What's I say? This is near me, Drew Ghana, when they be a winning problem. I bet some of them years, me should be a problem because men Cassentia will be. I've been sure. As someone said about being honest with a Canadian. Me so quiet, my first comedy. No, what's I say? Yeah, Manutia, me patch. Was that some baby no can be told on for me patch? Say, dear man, can you more fan chemi? Dear man, continue ye, and you say that you, it will come be no be about 8 man, and that's someone in you. Me said to say, maybe any panaka, and let us say, me baby says 7 years on it, see you say the same, you know. I am mamma boom for me. Me entertain him. But I said, Marlon, so with your big platform, as you say, was here, transfer verification. When you verification, then there's a baby, and to say with your big platform, again, I also Yabua Ghana, again, I also Yabua and Bebuno, because a month for her baby, and people are expired, meaning Makola Bio Juma Mame, Abana Payola. Oh, Abna, sweet sauce, darling, Abna, Makumit of me, Abana Payola. Oh, yeah, Baby, but can you say, because on the debut, I'm a blocking. I can't, I didn't 5 times. Oh. Tinidie na wo ya you best sustain because TikTok America by no so beko this is Snapchat by gidi say no so say I switch it so I say then na wo so wo ya wo dwen say wo hwa betima boa Ghana na wo so atima boa wo because say unya skakra akra free TikTok which is not bad but there was the future for you as a TikToker. Me pesa me start me series nyame ya adoma me am series nyame ya adoma pesa me am start pesa me be fiansa na me be hye ne bi na me woni ma bebre am pesa me yema enkora no like foundation sa ne kan dia o mani so say nyame ya adoma pesa me ye de boa kunafo ne ya wusia me ye obi a de bia me kasa me didi na kom de obi a na ye me ya say no ni me bia be ka chiro sa ma metie nti o me future yi na me pesa me ye say me bie like senia o mo ye ya twesi wachi ye bi ewrade ya adoma na de bia ye yi a no na da mani so say me pesa me ye de nice. Maledaka Foundation, so now I say yes, Ghana, yes, we are foundation on the 21st and the 21st. Ewo, you be Nima on the 20th. You come my Adrian, you feed streets. You bomb pies and go to my boy and you feed 300 people. You feed 300 and they say, Yabi. And Yanko Pose, oh my the pancho. Oh my no Adrian, oh my the pancho. Intino. Me sure so be so dying say so you be there money sa it's 2020th you be wo Nima 21st na ya wo Achimota overhead eso ti me sure mo mo twi ne ye de ye feed mo sa Maleda yen ka wo baba Felicia osai
You see ono so you say no waji three pa ye ka TikTokers na you say ubo asante amo a ontimi nyi flash yourself film said very serious na no aka asem na gu ono tra sa no toda bufu sa yesre bufu sa yesre eba say na obeni ne maami timi ko TikTok society me display sa eba say how did the journey start for both of you?
I say my man na encouraging me because do baby na me no money din komo do baby no nya time man bi see na me ka just me nka na me ma TikTok e bia buy friend TikTok download bi ti me ye no me di we kwa am say yanka se be yesa na me delete ti ye na busa say na di na mo pesa me ye am say mama kasa ti kasa no so me kasa am say we di bolobolo ho asem de sister nya ha me kan bolobolo ho asem na ma pepa na
say nya
sa na ja o na ma me kwan ma me koy na me sere permission so free me bra ho answer because my brother you know the sere permission free ne ho no because say me ye ade a one ne me yi what you say see me friend na me ka chere pa ya o de na me brother na ni nye ho to be honest na ni nye ho no say ye asalenda ogu me no ase amafo odi wat amafo ye say me man no na introduce me na I ask permission from my brother so na me the call from
nice okay say waka o brother sa o brother your friend say
Abraham didn't your friend papa ya o US
on a backbone na
on me papa me mommy he's my everything
papa ya ciao
US
nice one
or Maryland
hey so so go there ho Maryland waleda better was ebium say wa my kwenya you better have a biome. This is just the first one. You better have a biome. Na fache say my elite. Fache me. Oh, send me the metia. Oh, so oh na kade oh.
Ube chaka kana bedo hu kwem.
Enti no say the kai tie for. You better say na yada. You bo afo so as say o ma so ya sne for this interview. Malinda. Chia wadofo na you know you signing out
madofo me chia mu nyina me ma me bra na Nigeria bi e chia mo TikTok fo ebusuan ku a me de me ho abedwon mo TikTok e ebusuan hu yesa na e de ho pa me do me fans fo so ase na mo so na me do de me adri me nu ba bi ade bete rade adom ye kon kakra munya me video a mo share ma me no rade nkoso emma musika mo de beto bundle egu mo data egu mo phone so na mo de a share mo sister mo ma me mo yire ya me hia mo rade nka mo nyina mo ho me manager maso de manager yini ho di nrechi ti me new manager onyanko papa me manager me chiao
ona me ne kasa na no are serious am na ne buafu pa
wa yi medi wa yi ne ho adi ainti no me manager so me da wase so onya me ho abotre na me ye adwuma me nim se me ho ahomete bet me da wase no abotre me da obi ase nya me hira mu nyina I love my brother I love my children also me da ase
no problem
nya me hira
But the final was the youth no to omofo
youth no sana de bia meka no wan ko school apa adwuma ye wan ko school apa bibi ye na wote wo so do ani to be ma so emoa so wote wo se de bia wo twa mo ho de akodi obi botom a wo bebre
esa danko
nipa ne ebufu a nipa no ansere a won sere bia anya ya se onye ready so be sere na obi sere na wo sere what you say ezu mo amon pa adwuma nye mo mawure na mo tete so muti no mo ba mo ma ne nche so obi ye na de na ni ahode enfo so nko emfa ho nko enko ka ho ana asesen me man ko school me ko ye bet man ko bebre what you say bet na me ye dwadeni me tuo me o me na mo me salons na me start to meet pa me nsua me ye na ye dene na me turn the force me ye na bi bubu na me chechile ne robem me ye ya ma ne fai what you say nti youth na maba no mo nyire mo na mo nya adwuma na mo nyi mani free memma ne so enye sa mo tonga bebre e be du se rade be mo adoma mo be hia mo da ache hene no na taste na sa what you say nti mo tete ne ma so na mo pɛ mo ho bibi ansana wako awari mu nyasa yeah munyi wadwe free me masam so e wom se ga na adwuma egen wokopa adwuma ye ne wa na wonya bi nye se ne omo ka no but de me kan so wako school kra pe bibi kakra ye den esua ka ho na beboa me do mu nyina mo maame Linda or say TikTok and na me ne mo kasa I love everybody na me hira mu nyina
one go school pe adwuma ye we love everybody the words of Ma Linda Yakupon show so when you bre na wani ya ako through interview. See asem bi ne kan na anya oda fa che.
Papa
nipa de enfoso e obi a ho.
E show e fi amani di watem odo misraw mintumi no nku. Chime pa cha misraw meka bi na anya oda fa che me odo na me no uni asem tin fa me ho tan. Bible said de wani hu ne kura fa na ho tan kura ye bayifo.
Obibi ha.
What I say me ni moda e na so ni me da. Nti me ka bi na ma no foma pe dabre ne fa cheme e wo akomam me do se Ghana pe Ghana ni nyame sure
bibia me da se wonya bre yakra.
Yes, Ghana Online, we define the news.